If you have a bunch of loose screws and nuts laying around your workshop and you don't know where to put them, here's a simple idea, because you don't want them laying around like that. I'm simply going to take a soda bottle like this. It's an empty one. I rinse it out, take off the labeling. I then only take a permanent marker, and on the side of the bottle, like this, draw a shape for a window that I want to cut into the bottle, like this. You can draw it a bit more straight lines than me. I'm going to make it a bit rounded on top. Now, the idea of why this hole is this height in the middle of the bottle, more or less, I'll show you, because the top space of the bottle or the top volume won't be wasted. So then I take one of these little knives. Once again, be careful, do not cut yourself, work slowly and securely. I'm then simply going to cut along the lines that I've drawn, or that I drew onto the bottle, like this. Cutting all the way around, well, not all the way around, all the way on the lines, like so. You can take a bit more time and do it a bit more neater than me for this demonstration here. And then, almost done. When you get to the end like this, you can basically take this piece straight away, and you've then got the bottle standing like that. Now, you can take your hardware or your screws and bolts, whatever you want to put in it. This is a nice storage space, so it doesn't necessarily just have to be for bolts and screws and nuts and so on. And you can simply put it like that. It's being kept in place. If you can't reach the bottom, or if you want easy access, you can take this along wherever you go, have it lay on its side, and then easily reach the contents of the bottle like that. Now, to store this, I've basically then taken the cap, I've drilled a hole in the cap like that, and then take a cable tie from the bottom, or a zip tie, feed it through the cap, and then from the top side back down again, and then basically just feed it through itself. Tie this zip tie to itself like this, make it shorter up until the desired length, so that it looks like that on top. And then only at the bottom side, cut off the remaining piece of the cable tie like this, throw that away, and you can now take this bottle very easily, conveniently, hang it against your wall or anywhere that you need to. If you need the content, you can take the bottle, either just take out the contents, or you can take it with you, put it down where you're working, and easily take out the stuff being kept nicely together. Now, this is a demonstration of where I put them against my wall in my workshop, and it keeps all my nuts and bolts nicely sorted together, size by size, and it's easily accessible whenever I need them. So if you do like this clip and idea, be sure to like this video. Also, if you wish to support the channel, feel welcome to make a donation with the super thanks button below. So up until next time, thank you very much, guys.